Fleet Intelligence's fully integrated preventative maintenance module helps users stay on time with maintenance intervals using easy scheduling and alerting. Here on the map layer, you can select the maintenance map layer in the top right corner, and you can see any assets that have upcoming or overdue maintenance. That's denoted by the red or the orange, and you can also see any completed maintenance as well as service trucks in the area. When you click on an individual asset, you'll be able to see what maintenance is coming due, as far as the service, as well as how far away they are from that service. Below, you'll also see alerts over the previous 14 days, which can also help you upkeep the machine better. To open up a work order, you can click on the work order tooltip here, or navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and go to Asset Health module. The Asset Health module has a fully integrated work order platform that opens up to a current WIP, so you can see everything that is currently in progress, assigned or unassigned. You can also click in the top right corner to view maintenance records to see all of your completed work orders as well. The second section is alerts management. This is where you can look by individual alert or asset to see all of the upcoming maintenance as well as items that would require maintenance, including diagnostic codes, both red and yellow, upcoming preventative maintenance, and inspection items that also might require maintenance. You can see if they are currently assigned to a work order, or if they're not, you can acknowledge them or create a work order. Our work order system will automatically autofill the asset information, and you can add in parts, service descriptions, work order assignment, assigned to technicians, and even at the bottom you can include costs, including travel time, hourly rates, parts, labor, etc. Along the top, you can also see that there are additional work order segments and attachments, which can be including work order attachments, asset-related attachments, or inspection, so that everything is reporting in one place. The third section is maintenance schedules. Once you build a maintenance schedule in our system, you can assign assets to it. All of them have individualized service names, intervals, and notification periods. These can be set up by miles, hours, or time, and assets can be assigned to as many plans as needed to keep your fleet up and running. Once these are set up, everything will report back on the map layer, as well as in our reports and dashboards. When we go into Contractor Overview, we can select the Preventative Maintenance workspace. This workspace has charts and data tables related to preventative maintenance, including all upcoming and overdue maintenance. By double-clicking on the gray bar, we can full screen this view and see everything that is either upcoming or overdue, whether that's by asset type, job site, last maintenance done, etc. And we can even set ourselves up to have this report automatically delivered to our email daily, weekly, or monthly so that we're never caught off guard. You can also subscribe to alerts that will enable you to receive alerts when everything is upcoming or overdue for maintenance as well. Fleet Intelligence allows you to track maintenance on all types of assets easily in one platform, with work orders, cost, integrated inspection, and more. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please visit our website at fleetintelligenceglobal.com.